Okay, here's my gooseneck 20-foot Fleetneck made by Diamond Sea trailer, and it has a lot of features that were custom to this. It's a hydraulic tilt bed. The past driver's side fender is removable, so you can put a car on there and not worry about hitting the door when you're loading it. All the tires are in good shape. The spare is new, it's never been on the ground. The deck over top, I've got it measured, I'll put that in my description, but it has a lot of features such as a bump strip up front, loading ramp hooks on the back, tie downs. We used to run ATVs up on the top, and that has dual 10,000 pound lift jacks. The hydraulic pump is in the chain locker between the jacks, and we're going to demonstrate the tilt right now. This is the only model, only manufacturer that I know of that you get the use of the full distance between the wheel wells, 82 inches, actually 82 and a quarter. And I needed that because I have wide tracks on my Bobcat that I mount on here. And any other tilt bed would not work because of the way the frames were made. So this is the only one I could get a full 82 inches of width between the fender wells. The hydraulic lift works by 3 different controls. There's a control box in the chain locker. There's a wired remote control with magnets on it that I have stuck to the side frame right now. And there's a remote control on a key switch, on a keychain. So we're going to operate it now so you can see how it looks when it raises up. This is removable, it's on magnets, it's wired in. Bed lifts up, full bed lifts up until you're at a point where it touches the ground. You can adjust it to any angle you need. We're going to back up so you can get a good look at it. The hydraulic lift underneath. The frame is all painted underneath. If you need to work on it, there's a jack to lift up right here for safety. All underneath is painted. This was a special ordered trailer with the cross members 12 inches on center for additional strength and rigidity. Both 7,000 pound axles have electric brakes attached to them, but the deck is an outstanding addition. But probably the number one feature on this is the 12 inch on center cross members. Most trailers have 16 to 20 inch on center, which makes it not as stable and not as rigid. We have additional tie downs on the sides of this for tying down vehicles or equipment, and goes down, touches the ground, gives you an easy access. We put rubber conveyor belt material onto the wooden deck for additional grab going up the wood deck, on those slippery rainy days, or if there's leaves on the deck. This deck, when it's raised up, is only about 2 feet, 1.5 feet away from the upper deck, and then we would hook on additional aluminum ramps onto this rail that's made onto the back right here. It's a continuous rail. Your aluminum ramps would hook onto this, and then we would load an ATV onto the top. ATV would load onto the top deck. There's a bump rail on the front to keep it from rolling off. It's all diamond plate steel upper deck, full pockets and tie downs on all sides. So you have, and the deck is angled. The reason that we angled the deck, it's full width 8 foot in the back and narrows down in the front to match the bed of a pickup truck. Okay, just for design purposes, it's not 8 foot. Also, by angling it out, less chance that the corner of it is going to strike your bed if you're driving with a short bed pickup. It has lights on the deck on all sides. We have marker lights on the sides, stop, turn, tail signals on the top, and for additional lighting, so when you're going down the street, people definitely can see you. Again, the fender on the left side is removable with large wing nuts. We have additional tie downs on the sides. This trailer has a capacity of 14,000 GVW, and we've loaded it to 14,000, if not, and make sure that we're well within the weight limits, and handles and drives perfect without a problem. It has aluminum tread plate side steps, so you step up and down. Full complements of lights on the fenders. No rust issues. Some surface rust. Some little nicks in the paint. It's a silver metallic factory paint with pinstriping. Here's some of the lights on the upper deck. You see the tail light, turn signal, and brake on the back. Marker lights on the side. If you want to look up at the website on Fleetneck trucks or Diamond Sea trailer manufacturing, it's a Model 36 EHT with the gooseneck option. Load capacity. Empty weight of the trailer. Empty weight of the trailer is 3260. Load capacity is 10,740. I'll let the bed back down. It's gravity drop with the weight, or just one person standing on it, it'll come all the way down very easily. And then you secure the latches onto the pegs at the bottom before transiting. Thank you for watching. Happy bidding. Bid with confidence. Check my feedback. You'll have no problems with this trailer. I've owned it since new. It was custom made for me, and I've probably only used it once or twice a year since then to haul my tractor to our Bobcat to a remote property we own about an hour away to, and so probably total miles on this trailer is probably no more than 3,000 miles on the trailer, I would say. Tires are all in good condition. The spare is new. Still has tags on it. 8 lug, 7,000 pound axles. You'll have no problems with this trailer hauling any load you want that's within this capacity. Great for a car hauler. It's 20 foot long, easy to drive, turns easy. No issues with it at all. And again, if you need to haul a truck or trailer or tractor and haul an ATV or something also, or extra equipment, you have the upper deck, which is custom built on here for my orders, and very strong. Has steel side supports, steel girders, all steel diamond plate deck. Thank you.